Okay, I'm logged in as Carla Killen. She's the executive of the Toronto branch, so I'm just going to go to the Toronto branch here right now and just open it up. Like so. What this video is about is creating an event on the Toronto branch page. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go to this admin menu, and as you can see, there's a place here where you can actually create an event. So add an event. So click on that. Okay, so we're going to add a new event here. I'm going to call this new Toronto event. And let's call this C. We'll just call this a branch. Just to put a name in here because I have more in here, so I just want to be able to identify this. So what you can do is you can browse and upload a picture here if you want. No problem. Okay, so we come down here, and obviously there's this box here where you can actually put your information about the event. What you may, I just stretches out here, as you can see, to give you a little bit more room, so you can just grab that corner if you want. Another thing you can do is if you put this at full, just put this down here a bit. If you put this at full HTML, you see you have more icons here, which you can actually use. So you may want to do that. So let's just put in here content, C-O-N-T, content for new event, okay. I won't do any more than that. You can do that. Okay, so we get down a little further. There's an event date. By default, there's two dates here, beginning and closing date. If you just want one date, you can just do that, and you'll have only one date. That would be the date and the actual time it starts. But if you want to actually add, and I'll just show you here, an ending time. So you just have basically the same date, but you just want to change the time. So this starts at 12:45, and then it would end, let's say, at 2:45. So you can do that. This is in Toronto, so we'll make that Toronto there. The location, we'll say at York Hotel. Just use this as an example. And that's it. And you just save it. These two boxes, you don't have to use those. By default, the images are already there. So it basically says registration settings have been saved. Toronto branch, Toronto event, new Toronto event, branch has been created. Okay. So that's created. So if we go back and look at the schedule events, you'll see this here. Now you can see I've been testing this and putting a bunch in here while I'm making this recording. So what you would do is just delete these, and I would probably do this after the recording is over. So here's the one we just made. So if I click on that, there you are. Okay. The only issue is you can't register. There's nowhere for a person to register for this event. So basically, the event's been created, but nobody can register. So we have to enable it so people can register for the event. So what you would do is click on Manage Registrations and Settings right here. Click on the Settings. And what happens, it opens up so you would be able to, or will be able to actually enable this event. It'll come up, here it is here. Okay, see right this button right here, just click that box off. And now capacity. You can, 0 means it's unlimited, but if you want to put like only 100 people here, it means only 100 people can register for this event. After that, they won't be able to register. Scheduling, basically, the event is created, so if you want to schedule a time when they can register and the closing time of registration, you can also do that here, just by entering the dates. This is a nice feature. Send a reminder if you click on this, okay, and then put a date in here and a time. What it'll do, basically, so we said this is the 27th, so if you want to say it on the 25th, 5 days before the event, if you wanted to send a reminder, you can do so. If you want to put a note in here, send a little message in here, you can do that also. The rest of these are fine. You just leave them just as they are, and you would just go down and basically save this. It should save it. Okay, so now people can register for the event. So if you want to register this event, you can do so. What you would do is just basically, let's just go back here. If we were back to the Toronto branch, click on that, and you go back to the event page. Down here, schedule events, we would click on that, and basically, you would click on the event, and then you could actually register for this event right here. Just put the name, company name, depends register for yourself or another person or another account. And basically, then you would just save the registration. I'm not going to do that because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another event here. I put in here this one here. So this is Jamaica one. Okay, so we go to registration. This would be the actual administrator looking at this. They can see who's registered for this event, and they can view it here. There's a fictitious person called John Bell. There he is. Okay, and he's registered for this event. And there's a back button here. You can go back. So you can edit these, delete them, you can view them, whatever you wish to do. Okay, so basically that's it. If you want to email the registrants, you can actually click on this, and basically, you see this comes up here. Okay, if you want to send everybody a note, you can just put the subject in here and put a message in here and send it off, and everybody that registered this event would also get an email, which is a really nice feature. Okay, that's how you set up a registration for an event on any branch page on the CAFP website. Okay, thank you, and we'll put more videos up later. Thanks so much.